Nagtagisan naman ng husay at galing pagdating sa science and math ang mga high school students mula sa iba't ibang eskwelahan sa buong Cagayan. Alamin natin ang buong detalye mula sa ulat ni Azazel Ero.
Papalapit na ang Pasko at parte ng pagdiriwang ng Ranyag TCSU 2023 ang isinasagawa ngayong tagisan ng husay at talino ng mga henyo mag-aaral mula sa mga paaralang sekundarya sa buong Cagayan sa larangan ng matematika at agham. Dinaluhan ng 36 o 36 na bilang ng mga junior and senior high schools ang Math and Science Quiz Bee competition na ginaganap sa Red Eagle Gymnasium ng CSU Carig ngayong December 13, 2023. Pinangunahan nito ng College of Teacher Education Dean Dr. Ian Roger Francisco na siyang chair ng Quiz Bee, College of Natural Sciences and Mathematics Dean Dr. Crizaldi P. Binarao na siya namang assistant chair ng competition.
I'd like to underscore that this year's Science and Math Quiz Bee is the first of its kind since we launched the Ranyag celebration. We asked the division superintendents of Cagayan Division and Tuguegarao City Division to invite high schools from private and public high schools to join the Quiz Bee, and we were quite surprised because, as you can see, the participation is blockbuster. So we were only aiming for like 15 to 20 schools, but we have 36, so it's over and above our expectation. And the President was so happy about this.
Nagpakita naman ng mainit na pagsuporta ang pagdalo ng Presidente ng Universidad ng CSU, Dr. Urduha Alvarado, na siyang nagbigay ng kanyang pambungad na mensahe sa lahat ng mga high schools na nakilahok.
This is our way of thanking the high schools of Cagayan and Tuguegarao City for helping Cagayan State University. You see, these are high schools from the private and public sectors are our feeder schools, meaning they are the ones who are giving us, who are feeding us enrollees who would be enrolled in the different programs, academic programs of Cagayan State Universities. We did not ask them any registration fee. We offered them snacks. We serve lunch for free because this is our way of thanking them. And it's Christmas time, so I think that's the best way. That's the best possible way CSU can reciprocate the generosity of high schools.
Sa parehong araw, tumanggap ng 5,000 pesos ang paaralang nakasungkit sa pangatlong pwesto, 7,000 pesos naman sa pangalawang pwesto, at ang nanguna sa lahat ay tumanggap ng 10,000 pesos. Sa Science Quiz Bee, nasungkit ng Licerio Antiporda Dalaya Extension ng 3rd place, 2nd place naman ang Camalaniugan National High School at 1st place ang Cagayan National High School Senior Level. Habang sa Mathematics category naman, 3rd place ang Western Cagayan School of Arts and Trades, 2nd place ang Cagayan National High School Senior High at nanguna naman sa lahat ang Tuguegarao City Science High School.
Sobrang saya po kasi we were given this opportunity to show our talents, and yun nga po, fruits of our labor.
Thank you po sa mga teachers po na nagbigay po ng opportunity sa amin.
Sa huli, nagdulot ng masiglang diwa ng Pasko ang matagumpay na pagsasagawa ng Quiz Bee competition, kung saan ang kahusayan ng bawat mag-aaral na Cagayano ang itinatangi at ipinagdiriwang. Ako po si Azazel Ero para sa Balitang Inyong Kaagapay.